Hello, today we will guide you through how to make a semantic differential scale in Qualtrics. To begin, open your survey in the Qualtrics Edit Survey area. This is where you build and organize your survey content, so it's the right place to create a semantic differential scale. Once you're in the survey editor, look for the option to add a new block and click Add Block. Creating a separate block can help keep your survey organized, especially if you want this scale to stand alone as its own section. After the new block appears, choose Import from Library. This allows you to start with a pre-built question style rather than building everything from scratch. It can be a quicker and more reliable way to set up the structure you need. From the available options, select Matrix Table. A matrix table is the best fit here because a semantic differential scale is typically presented as a row with opposite adjectives on each end and a set of scale points in between. Once the matrix table is inserted, click on the sample question so you can begin modifying it. Next, move to the left side navigation panel and find the matrix type setting. Open the Likert drop-down menu. This menu controls the style of the matrix question, and changing it is what turns a standard matrix into a format that works for semantic differential responses. From that drop-down, select Bipolar. This is the key setting for a semantic differential scale. A bipolar scale is designed to place opposite terms at either end, such as positive and negative, simple and complex, or strong and weak, depending on your survey topic. Choosing this option gives respondents a clearer way to express where their opinion falls between two contrasting ideas. After that, click the plus sign for scale points to add more response options if needed. Adjusting the number of scale points is important because it affects how precise respondents can be. For example, a broader scale may capture more nuanced opinions, while a shorter scale may be faster and easier to answer. Finally, follow the on-screen procedure to edit the names. This is where you'll replace the default text with your own labels and descriptors. Be sure your wording is clear, balanced, and easy to understand. Opposing terms should truly contrast with one another so the scale feels intuitive for respondents. Once you've updated those labels, your semantic differential scale is ready to review. It's always a good idea to quickly preview the question to make sure the layout, wording, and scale points appear exactly as intended.